going on, everyone? Welcome back. So we're gonna do something a little bit different this time. We're gonna go ahead and get your engines revving. Let's do this. Alright, so I'm gonna show you this new exhaust, Valvetronic. So it's pretty insane because the craftsmanship and the way it looks is just killer for what you're getting. It's, you know, as far as the price goes, it's really competitive, and the sound, it's gonna be ear-tearing. And let me be very straight to you. This exhaust may not be for everyone. Okay, so the benefit that this exhaust has is obviously a little bit of weight saving. Number two is that open and close valve. So you're gonna be able to be just as quiet or even quieter than stock, and then basically a really aggressive, super loud, just, you know, to be absolutely honest, like obnoxious. And now I know a lot of people are gonna, you know, basically hate for the fact that it's gonna be loud and raspy, but that's what I'm going for. I am making, or at least trying to make, the loudest possible S65 M3 exhaust, period. Now I know there's other ways, but I don't want to go too far into custom, you know, headers and manifolds and blah blah blah. You know, I don't want to do any of that kind of stuff, but I am trying to make it just simple bolt-on, super loud exhaust. You don't have to overpay and pay that premium price for a lot of these Valvetronic exhausts, because truth be told, some of you may not know this, some of you do probably know it, a lot of these are made in the same factory. I'm doing this firsthand, and I'm also going to go ahead and alter the mid pipe, which I'll talk about in a little bit. But for now, I want to let's just take a look at this thing. All right, so I've got everything boxed up. You guys saw the remote. The way that everything is properly welded on, beautiful design. Obviously, mandrel bends and everything. My polished tip design that I chose. You can see Valvetronic. And these are slip-ons, so you can literally see they slip right on. And then you can clamp it, weld it, do whatever you want. Now personally, I don't feel the need to have to do the install, take the muffler off, and all that kind of stuff, which is pretty self-explanatory. I don't want to do any of the boring stuff because you guys want to see the flames, you guys want to see the burbles, you guys want to see this thing in action. So we're going to skip ahead, show you the finished product. I'm going to go ahead and do a quick stock revs just to give you an idea how quiet it is. Everyone already knows I don't really need to do much. Alright, so just finished up with the install. You can see the beautiful tips hanging out on both ends, and of course the remote. So I think you should be able to hear it just go on and off like this. So it's currently, I think, open. No, I think it's currently closed, so let's go ahead and open it just with the button. You heard that? Yeah. Let's try it again. It's like instant. Alright, so I need to explain, as far as what has been done, you do see the muffler like I showed you before, but in addition to that, I also removed secondary and primary cats. So you've got the test pipe and you got the X pipe, which are both deleted. So what I did was I just had them hollowed out. So I just took away all the baffle, just put the stock cats back in, but they're empty. So that's what I did to achieve this sound, so let's check it out. Valves open. Alright, so we're just going to do some basic revs. We're about a little over 10 feet from the car. I'm going to do valves closed and valves open. Valves open. enough that could hold the conversation. No drone, no nothing. You don't even hear the engine or the exhaust. It sounds just as quiet, if not quieter, than stock. You guys already heard, there's quite literally like no drone. Even when I was cruising, I was like in 6th gear going like 50 miles an hour, nothing. Just absolutely like the most OEM plus with the ridiculous amount of sound kind of feeling it is, which is so weird. And then the only time you'll pick up a little bit of vibration is probably when you are driving at like 7th gear at like 40 miles an hour. If your car automatically does that and you give it a little bit of extra throttle, it'll start, I wouldn't even call it drone, but it's just obviously compensating for the low RPM, so, which rarely happens. Snowman. Oh! Hope you guys enjoyed it. This exhaust is crazy. Paired with the tune that I've got, it is just like, I thought my last video with the gunshot burbles was loud and obnoxious and crazy. This takes it to a whole new level. Like, this is like concerning. Like, I might actually take the tune off, because when it does that gunshot like pop, it's just like not only flames and everything, but it startles me every time. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I really did. Like I said, I took out all the caps, I left the resonator, and I had this exhaust on. So you can get the exhaust in the link below if you ever want to go ahead and get a Valvetronic exhaust. Reasonably priced, it looks cool, it's functional, it's really nice, and it sounds stock when you want it to. So again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment. See you guys on the next one.